I'll be changing the cabin filter for the VW Caddy. So from the passenger side, you'll look under here, and there are a couple of clips that you must loosen. There's another one. Once the clip is loose, just pull it and pull it to the side. Then there's the cover. So to remove the cover, you just need to move it to one side. Oh, as you can see, it's bad in here. Let's pull this. Whoa. Yep. The filter is bad. Yeah, the filter is a bit dirty, as you can see. And in comparison, the new one. Alright. So before I install it, I'll just give it a rub down. As you can see, it's a bit dirty in there. Maybe I can open the blower. This is all the dust and debris coming from the aircon cabin filter housing. Alright, the filter is in. Nicely covered. Closing back the cover. That's it. Testing the aircon after putting in the filter. Much better already.